Do you want to know how you can change or update your Draftkings password? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or update your Draftkings password. The first step is to open your browser on your PC and go to draftkings.com or draftkings.co.uk. Then log into your account. Hover around your profile and click on Account Information. Now write down your email credentials or your login credentials over here. And then click Login. After that, it will lead you to this page. You can see Login and Security on the left hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. And there is option called Update Password over here. Go ahead and click Update Password. What you need to do now is write down your current password over here. After you've written down your password, go ahead and check it. Now, the next step is to write down the new password which you want to set. So go ahead and write down the password which you now want to replace it. And go to the Confirm Password and write it down again. Make sure both of these passwords matches each other and go ahead and click Change Password. And there you go, you have just updated your password and you can see the last updated date over here. So guys, this is how you update your Draftkings password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.